Did you know that credit card fraud costed online merchants billions of dollars last year? As if that's not bad enough, the business costs associated with handling credit card fraud has been growing an average of 34% year after year. As transactions on the internet continue to increase, fraudsters are migrating their activities online at alarming rates. If you are associated with online sales in any way, chances are good you have experienced credit card fraud first-handedly. You probably already know just how frustrating it is to not only lose sales and receive chargeback fees, but the products or services that were provided are now gone too. Since over 76% of all chargebacks are never even reported until 41 days or more after the transaction occurred, there is a 94% chance you will never recover the losses associated with a chargeback. A credit card processing term most people are not familiar with is chargeback to transaction ratio. The ratio is how credit card providers evaluate risk, and each provider has their own strategy for evaluating chargeback thresholds. The industry-wide maximum accepted chargeback to transaction ratio is 1%, meaning if you have 100 sales for the month and just one single chargeback, you will be red flagged for fraudulent behavior directly by the credit card provider. A first-time offender will usually be given a warning with a specified amount of time to get the ratio under control. A repeat offender will be added to the match list, which is a type of blacklist and contains merchants who have been fired from credit card companies for excessive chargebacks, illegal transactions, money laundering, or other fraudulent behavior. This is one list you definitely don't want your business to be on. Major offenders can even be punished for their negligence in handling credit card fraud by receiving fines up into the tens of thousands. That's where FraudGrade comes in to assist. Since there is no one-size-fits-all approach to online fraud risk, FraudGrade uses a combination of artificial intelligence and machine learning to effectively reduce credit card fraud by up to 99%. If you screen every payment as it's received, you can process only real customer payments to minimize losses, maximize profits, and control costs. FraudGrade's automated screening process uses a combination of email validation, IP validation, domain validation, proprietary data, merchant data, and confirmed fraudulent incidents to detect the risk associated with any online customer worldwide. The screening process is automated and takes just milliseconds to complete and provide an easy-to-understand A, B, C, D, or F grade of risk to each fraudulent review, as well as returning all customer data that was used to decide the risk. With just the potential customer's email address and IP address, you can detect and handle the risk associated before fraudsters can even type the billing details. FraudGrade deploys over 17,000 risk threshold rules to accurately detect and prevent fraudsters while minimizing false positives. The rules are meticulously maintained by a dedicated team of fraud specialists and is constantly updated with new rules added and current rules re-optimized. FraudGrade screens millions of dollars in transactions every day for a broad range of clients, from Fortune 500 companies to home-based small businesses. Access to your own enterprise-grade fraud protection system at cost-effective pricing has never been easier. Ready to regain control of your profits and eliminate fraud in your online sales? Sign up now and complete your first 10 fraudulent reviews for free. www.fraudgrade.com